This is a demo video for online.2im.com. I'm going to start from the time we log in. This is a landing screen. If you already have a user ID and password, go on to login or register with a new ID. I'm going to start with a new ID. Let's say I go with rajeshp@yahoo.com, the email address, and then I'm going to enter a password. So this way I enter into the course, and then we'll see where that takes us. Right? I land onto this page. It's a very simple interface. This is 2IIM trial. There are 4 free classes. Let me just click on this to see what the free classes are and how do I access them. Right? So there are averages, geometry, logical reasoning, math, and data interpretation. I just want to click on averages just to see what opens out. All of these are lessons inside the topic averages. I can click on any one lesson and then see how the interface opens up after that. Right? This is how the stack is organized. The class happens right in the middle. And on the right hand side, the topics organize themselves neatly into something similar to a table of contents. Right? There's a video for this lesson, so I can listen to the video. I click that. If I don't want to listen to the video, I can just pause this and run through with slides. Just keep one thing in mind: wherever there is a video, then the underlying slides are also there. So if you're in a hurry and you don't want to listen to the video, or if it's a simple idea that you wish to just see with slides, you can just click through and get there. I want to go to the next lesson. I just click next. I go to the next topic and I navigate along the table of contents file. Right? All the lessons in that topic are arranged on a stack. Right? Here, if you notice, this one interesting nugget called as checkpoint 1 here, which is a test that you can take. There's checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2, and prepage. So every class has 3 quizzes, 2 checkpoint quizzes and 1 prepage quiz. The checkpoint quizzes are meant to just consolidate. So once we learn 2-3 ideas, we just have a mini quiz to just consolidate those ideas and get practice for that. The prepage quizzes are tougher. They provide a benchmark for questions that are give or take around the level of difficulty that you will see in the CAT. So they're tougher questions. So to benchmark yourself, see how you do in prepage, to just consolidate and practice, hit checkpoint. I'm going to go on to the prepage quiz and then just see this interface as well to see how actually one takes a test. Okay. This lands on a page, and then I say start. It takes us to the quiz interface. So for here, if you notice, I can actually answer and then see how I do. So there are answer choices available. If I look at each question, now I'm just rushing through because I just want to test the interface. So there are about 7 questions in this. How many questions are there are visible on this right hand side screen. So I can answer all of them. And then I get this thing popping up saying last question. I say okay, and then I submit the entire paper. Once I submit, I get a snapshot of the results. So I've attempted 7 questions. I got 1 right and 6 wrong. And this is the broad outline of my accuracy and what I've got right, what I've got wrong. When I click on check answers, this takes me to an interface where all the questions appear again. And underneath each answer choice, each question, I know what I have marked and what the correct answer is. Right? I seem to have gotten this question wrong. So I might want to check the explanation. I click that and it pops out as a screen. This particular question has explanation as a video. I can listen to the video, or I can just say, look, I know what this is, let me just see the slides. Remember, anything that has a video will have the underlying slides appearing after that. So if you're in a hurry and you don't want the video, just click out and then go and complete the slides. Right? Once I'm through with this, I can exit. Once I exit, I'm back to the original screen, the table of contents. Right? That is how the course is organized. I want to just touch upon one final point. If you notice the screen, this says Rajesh B, confirm your email address, go to your email. Any person who registers as a free user, the free user ID is available for 2 days without verification. But if you want to enjoy continued access, then you have to go to your email, just click on that verification thing, then you have access as a free user forever. And so just remember to go to your email and just activate this so that you can enjoy continued access for this course.